Milliken. I'm the CEO of FryerGate. This is a revolutionary new product that's designed to slip over top of commercial deep fryers very easily. No screwing or bolting. You can see here how easily this installs. Just like that, it's already on. A cover plate goes over the front. And the purpose of the FryerGate is to prevent objects from falling into the hot oil, causing splashes and burning employees, or baskets missing the hook and falling in and causing splash burns, or even worse, someone walking along slipping and falling and putting their arm into the fryer itself. You can see how sturdy and strong these doors are. These are 3mm stainless steel doors. You can see how this works. It is a release bar. This patented release bar allows you to push the basket, which unlocks the trap doors, and the basket easily drops inside. When you pull it out, the spring doors lock shut and prevent anything from falling into the fryer. It's very easy to operate. There's two baskets just like that. Pull it back up. You can hang the baskets on the hook like this, or they can actually rest on the fryer doors themselves, allowing you more hanging space here and preventing baskets from piling on top of each other and causing the wires and the mesh to break. When you're finished with the FryerGate, you can pull it off like this at the end of the day. And again, this is a hot fryer, and I'm pulling this off right now, and it's not burning my hands, and it slips into any commercial dishwasher or goes into the actual sink and can be easily cleaned.
I just took this safe lid out of the dishwasher in the back room here at Tom and Eddie's, a gourmet hamburger chain here in Illinois. I've been involved in restaurants with McDonald's Corporation as the CEO and president for 30-some years, and I was responsible for probably 75 to 80,000 fryers in the U.S. alone. And there's always a great danger with these fryers of foreign objects falling into the oil, people spontaneously reaching to grab it to save it from falling in the oil, getting burned. This device is one of the few things I've seen simple, precise, and does the job it was intended to do. Keep people safe, keep products safe, and make sure that the restaurant operates in the safest way possible for both employees and customers.